Halal saving account in USA. Can Muslims in the United States save money in a bank account without earning interest on that? The answer is yes, but you need to understand how the account is structured. In this video, we are going to explain what a halal saving account in the USA is, how it works, and what you should look for before opening the halal saving account. A conventional saving account usually pays you interest on the money you keep in the bank. In Islamic finance, earning or paying riba or interest is prohibited. So, for Muslims looking for an alternative, a halal savings account is designed to avoid interest and instead use structures based on Islamic financial principles. Most commonly, the concept of halal saving account is based on profit sharing. Instead of promising you a fixed interest rate, the financial institutions uses your funds in Sharia compliant activities and distributes profit according to the structure of the account. For example, some US Islamic banking products describe their returns as anticipated or profit-based returns generated from Sharia compliant financing portfolios. The important difference is in conventional savings account, your return is generally interest. But in halal saving account, your return is structured around permissible profit generating activities rather than interest. You can open halal saving bank account in the USA. Although Islamic banking is much smaller in the United States compared with conventional banking, there are now financial institutions offering Sharia compliant deposit and saving products. For example, UIF Corporation, through University Bank, offers profit-sharing personal savings accounts. Its current offering states that the account is available to consumers nationwide and has a minimum opening balance of $100. Another example is Eastern Bank Salam Banking, which offers Sharia-compliant savings and other banking products. Eastern says its Islamic banking products are reviewed by an independent Sharia supervisory board. Now, we also need to understand about the FDIC insurance. This is another important point. Some halal saving products are offered through FDIC insured banks. The FDIC says eligible deposits at an FDIC insured banks are generally insured up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank for each ownership category. However, do not assume that every Islamic financial product has FDIC protection. Always verify which institution actually holds your deposit and whether that institution is FDIC insured. Before choosing a halal savings account in the USA, look at 5 things. First, understand how your money is being used. Second, check whether the institution has formal Sharia oversight and who the scholars or supervisory board are. Third, understand whether the return is guaranteed, anticipated, or variable. Fourth, verify the FDIC or NCUA insurance status depending on the institution. And fifth, carefully read the account agreement, including fee, withdrawal rules, minimum balances, and how profits are calculated. Also understand that not every product labeled Islamic, halal, or interest-free will necessarily be viewed the same way by every scholar. Islamic finance can involve different contractual structures and scholarly opinions. So if Sharia compliance is important to you, do not rely only on the marketing label. Review the actual contract and when necessary, consult a qualified Islamic finance scholar or advisor. So, there are Sharia compliant savings and deposit options available in the USA. The key is understanding the structure behind the account, not simply looking at the advertised return. If you are a Muslim living in America and want to manage your saving account to Islamic principles, researching the contract, Sharia oversight, fee structures, and deposit insurance should be your first step. We hope this piece of information will help you understanding the concept better. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Inshallah, you will keep on getting useful information regarding Islamic finance, halal banking, halal loans, and Sharia compliant financial options in the USA. See you in the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.